This is a video I'm making just because I have received so many DMs, messages asking me to show you guys how to cut a mango properly. So in UK, you can get few of the Indian mango varieties, and here I've got three. That's the Kesar, that's Badami, and that is Alfonso. And these are just the three Indian varieties. There are many more Indian varieties. Depends on where you are from. You might have your own amazing mango variety. So whatever you have, the first thing to check is that they should be slightly yellowish in color. If they're too green, then I would say just leave them on the shelf in your fruit basket for a few days to help it ripen up a little bit. And also it should be soft. Which means it's ready to eat. If it's too hard, that means it needs a few more days to ripen up. I'm trying not to squeeze too much, but these are properly ready. And the first thing to do is cut the top off, and then you can see that the middle of this is going to be a seed. So we're going to leave that bit and just go off the center a little bit, and then just slice through. So this way you'll get that lovely perfect slice, and then you can see that the seed is here in the middle, but you still have a bit of flesh here. So just so you don't waste any, you can cut the sides off. And so that is one way to cut and serve. So I haven't taken the skin off, and it's just, I'm literally just cutting it in slices. And I'm going to serve it straight as it is in these lovely slices. The other variation is, again, cut the top off. Again, the center is here, so you slide slightly off center, then you get a lovely slice. And once you've got your slice, just go all the way through to the skin, and then just chop squares. Then you have your lovely mango in this shape. The other side as well, and then I'm going to cut the exact same thing, but the only difference being, once I have got to here, can then peel this off, or just use a spoon and then scoop these squares out. And that way you get all the mango already cut into squares. And then you've got no wastage. So all the squares are ready to eat. And then if you want to peel the skin off, if you're confident in peeling the skin off, then just with a sharp knife, just peel off all the skin. So I've peeled the skin off completely. Then I'm just going to go off the center and cut the slice through. So we've got a whole mango piece, and then you cut them into thin slices, and that way you can use these slices to decorate the cakes or bakes or salad, and that's how you get the lovely fan shape for the mangoes. And the strips that we cut, which still have the skin on, if you're not confident to peel the skin off and you still want to enjoy it and not waste, this is how we eat it. Cut the strips with the skin on. And then just eat it, leaving the skin behind. This way, whatever you do, do not waste the seed, because all the goodness is on the seed and you have to eat that. That's the real Indian way to enjoy the mango. So good. I hope this is helpful, and I hope you will try one of the techniques. Mango is my absolute favorite fruit. What is your favorite fruit? And let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you very soon with a brand new recipe. Bye for now. That Alfonso is amazing.